Are you ready to discover a smarter, faster way to learn? In 2025, personalized AI tutoring platforms are changing education for everyone, from school students to professionals. Adapting to you. Unlike old one-size-fits-all learning, AI tutors like Cognispark AI and AIlearning AI analyze each student's unique strengths, weaknesses, and learning pace. These platforms instantly adapt lesson difficulty, offer tailored practice, and adjust feedback in real time. This means every student gets a custom learning journey, no more feeling left behind. Real-time feedback for success. AI tutors give instant feedback on quizzes and assignments, showing you exactly where you went wrong and offering extra practice on weak spots. This real-time support speeds up learning. Research shows students using AI tutors improve retention and skills much faster than with traditional homework and delayed feedback.